What's up, guys? Guess where we're going?
Yeah. I don't know.
Where do you guys want to go?
Desert.
The desert. We're gonna drive by the desert. It's Father's Day weekend. We are going camping.
And I know where I want to go.
Where?
I want to go where the bears hang out.
Where the bears hang out. It'd be cool to see a bear, huh?
Yeah,
but at a safe distance.
And finally, for the next, we have the 2-block hologram.
We are going to camp here. Hopefully we can find a spot. This is a spot. We made it to camp. We are in Lone Pine, Alabama Hills area. It's almost midnight. Good morning. We're here in Lone Pine. We got Fred right there airing down his mattress. But we're getting ready to leave. We're gonna go to Bishop. Maybe hit CF and do some fishing. Boy's right there, climbing the rock. Ah, boy.
Now guess what I got? It's smelly. But I'm not done.
Getting packed up. It was a quick night. Time to make our way to the next spot. Did you guys have fun at the spot?
Yeah.
We were only here for like, I don't know how many hours. But it's time to go to the next spot. Rolling with the FJs. Yeah, gonna gas up right here. Make sure we got enough gas to go exploring on the dirt. So, let's go. We are here in Bishop. Finally hitting the dirt. We are airing down. Here, somewhere up in the Inyo National Forest. Found this campsite. I think we're gonna post here for the night. Got a 4Runner over there. Towed a trailer up here. We got a Tundra group right here with the 4Runner. Got another 4Runner right there, and a few Jeeps side by side. Say what's up. It's kind of hard to breathe up here. But nice lake. All right, we'll check in later, see what's going on. Probably a whole lot of nothing, just sitting around. It's time for a snack. kind of cold. Feels like winter. Yeah, it is kind of cold, so I think we're gonna call it an early night. I downloaded some movies on Netflix, so I'm good to go. It's cold. What's up, buddy? Alright, packing up. Sunday morning. Happy Father's Day to everyone, all the dads out there. Coyote Flats. It was cold last night. Boys went hiking, coming back with poo bags. I think that's their first time picking up poop. Oh, gross. Okay, we just made it down the mountain. We're airing up. We're gonna go look for a place to go fishing for a little bit and have breakfast. And then after that, we're gonna go find a spot to go swimming. Hopefully that spot's not crowded, but we're gonna go check it out anyways. It was a good trip.
As old as you. I'm 8. Yeah.
Buddies. time swimming at the swim spot. What'd you guys think of it?
Great, it's not so secret. It actually is secret. It's called a secret swim spot, but it's not. So it's the not so secret swim spot. Well, it's fun.
I think we're done for the day. Just got to travel home, maybe get something to eat. Right, Mama?
Yeah.
What you feel like eating?
I don't know.
Maxwell, what you feel like eating, dude?
Where are we going?
The 14th.
There's no way we can remember.
So we are on the 395. Check it out.